Okay, the Tablo machine has completed its water preparation for the water culture collection, and it defaults you into this screen here. The screen involves an animated video with written instructions and details on where to collect the sample from. Just to give you a little orientation of the Tablo machine, there are two doors on the front side of the machine. The top drawer opens like such, and the bottom drawer opens like that. For the sake of the water culture collection, this is source number 1 of 2, as mentioned in the previous video. We are concerned about the bottom drawer. So again, the screen walks you through this, but the port that we're interested in for the water collection is right here. There's only one port on this bridge. So here at USA Home Dialysis, we like to say, read it, see it, do it. Okay? Read the screen, see the screen, and then do it. So up here on the screen, the instructions are clean the port above the filters behind the lower front door with alcohol and allow it to completely dry. So we'll take one of our 2 alcohol swabs. Of course, we've got our gloves on. And vigorously clean this port. Friction is your best friend when it comes to cleaning. So just give it a vigorous twist several times, clean that port, and allow that to air dry. Once you're completed with that step, there is an orange box here. I'm not sure if you can see it on the video. Select the orange box to get the next instructions. Then, as the video shows, draw a water sample from the port and prepare it for testing per your site's policy. We will grab one of our 10 ml sterile syringes. Okay. Make sure this is completely sealed and that it's not used. Obviously, we want this to be sterile and as clean as possible. You're going to pop this right onto the port, push it firmly in, and give it a little twist to the left. Okay? Push it in, a little twist to the left. And in fact, the pressure from inside the machine went ahead and backfilled the syringe. Okay? And that's actually when you know you've got a great connection. What we want to do is we want to waste 20 cc's of water just to get rid of any of residual junk that might have been in the lines. Okay, so this is 10 cc's obviously. We're going to waste this. We're going to do the same thing. Push tight, twist a little bit to the left. The syringe pre-fills. Make sure you pop it off, otherwise the pressure in the machine may pop the plunger all the way back and you've got a water mess on your hands. Okay, so this will be our second waste. You can just discard that down a sink or a toilet, obviously. Now we want to collect our actual sample. This is where we'll need our sterile cup. Okay? So once again, push firmly, twist to the left. Go ahead and gather a full syringe, so 10 cc's. Open up your cup. And without touching the tip with anything, squirt that water in there. Okay? We'll collect another one. So again, about a total of 20 cc's in the sterile cup. Don't touch anything with the tip of that syringe. Now you've got 20 cc's in here. Okay. And if you recall from the supply video, these water collection tubes are only 6 mLs each. So 6 and 6 makes 12. We've got 20 in here. That's plenty to send our sample. Inside the sterile cup, there is a straw. You do want to tip the cup so that the straw is fully submerged in the water sample. There's a seal here that's not broken. You can break it with the butt end of the tube. You're going to pop the tube in there, push down, and the tube will automatically fill up with water as it has a vacuum in it and is designed to do so. You're going to do 2 tubes for this water source. Okay? Fill up the tubes completely. Once you're done with this cup is done. We don't use this for anything else. You can discard this cup. Back to the screen. Draw the water sample from the port and prepare for testing per your site's policy. We did that, so select the orange box. Next it says deliver the sample per your site's policy. There's another video that explains how to send these off. So I'm going to defer to that video. We're going to check that as done. Now you see all the boxes are checked on the screen, okay? And then an orange box on the bottom right highlights all done. Yes, we are. We're all done. Let's select that. Are you done taking the water culture sample? Yes, we are. This will default back to the home screen.